Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the first installment of must-haves in your office or gaming setup. So we have been sent out by Cololights the hexagons and the mixers. So these are the hexagons right here and what you get inside. So this is the adapter or the USB plug, whatever you guys want to call it, and it fits beautifully in this very, very well-made heavy base. It's very well made, I must admit. I did not expect it. It's just beautiful how they've done it. It just works. Okay, they've got a bit at the back here, as you can see. It's cable management at its finest. And basically what you do is you have to use a certain part that you get, which is the long-ended adapter that goes into the double slots, and then that goes into any other single slot. The smaller ones you get in the pack are more for just sort of the build quality to hold it more together. So, you know, you don't really need them. But anyway, onto the app. This is where it gets kind of funky. So you can connect it to an Alexa, a Google Assist. I don't know about Cortina or anything like PC related. I didn't really look into that, I'm not going to lie. But I was too excited to set these up. So what you do is it will tell you on-screen instructions of how to do things, and you just follow it basically. It's a very easy process. You go to your Wi-Fi, you log into your Wi-Fi, make sure your Bluetooth is on so your phone can connect to said device first, and then once it's on Wi-Fi you don't need Bluetooth on at all. Once it is connected, this bit is speeded up. It does take around 2 to 3 minutes, so give it time. Not everything is as fast as me. I mean, come on now. Now you've got this one set up, you can scroll through some presets. There's some custom made ones by the community, or you can make your own. That I found a bit challenging, was actually setting up my own color scheme, because when you go to actually make your color scheme, it flips it backwards and you have to remember where you've put these connectors for it to sort of match where you want the color to go. So I did have a bit of issues with that, but I've fixed it since this and it's working fantastic. So this is a couple of the presets. Obviously it's just, you know, randomized. You do get solid colors as well on there if you just want one basic color, and you do have the community page where people will upload their designs. If you have the same amount of hexagons and layout, then you know it fits you perfectly, but if not, you can make your own, like I said before. So while in the background I just play around with a few of the settings and create my own colors and epically fail, I just want to go over about the different packs that you can get. So this is the starter pack that they have sent out to me. This comes with 6 hexagons and a heavy base sort of weight that you put the hexagon into. You can also put these on the wall if you desire. You don't have to have them on the desk or anything like that. These come in at $84.99. Now a lot of you guys might be thinking that is a hell of a lot of money for some lights, but when you look at the Neo Leafs and stuff like that, you are looking at a reasonable price here for the quality you're getting. Like I said, they connect to Alexa, they connect to Google Assist, they connect to so many other platforms that you can link them all together and have a disco if you really needed to. I don't know. But enough about me and my dreams and aspirations in life. It's time to get back to what we were really talking about. Now these are the Cololights mixers. Now they do come in a pack of 3, coming in at £999. Now I know that is a lot of money for 3 lights when you can go and get 6 hexagon lights for less than that. But what these do are insane. I didn't notice this until today, but I've just been having them on my desk as like a spotlight for me, for when I stream and things like that. So basically what you get in the box is 3 lights, obviously your user manual, how to set it up. You can download the app again for this and sync both of your lights together, or all lights that you've ordered through Cololight through the same app, and all of them will sort of match each other's colors, if you will. So with these, I didn't notice that these are actually amazing for if you are a collector of figurines or sculptures or anything to do with, you know, if you collect some sort of Star Wars figures or Lego or anything like that. You can place these down in a nice glass frame. You can wire them up individually. They don't have to be connected. As you can see, they all have their own adapting port. They all take USB-C or a DC adapter. So you can have them all separately put in, or connect them all together and have it on a shelf, and then put your figure or ornament or whatever you want in the middle, and it gives it such a beautiful glow. You can even use them for, I don't know, promotional sort of, you know, if you're doing a watch promotion or a aftershave promotion. You can use it as like a backlight or an underneath light, and it will give it such a beautiful glow. And I never knew about this until today, so I'm super pumped that I've actually found this out. But basically what you need to do is make sure the connectors are the right way, because I messed up the first time, and then the second time I just turned it around and put it in. It's basically like a battery. You've got one side positive, one side negative. Make sure they are the right way. You don't have two positive, you can't have two negatives. It's got to be positive and a negative. Bish bash bosh, you know the score. So these make some beautiful colors as well. Compared to the hexagons, I find these have a very subtle tone of color. It's very sort of polished down. Unlike the hexagons, they're very vibrant. These ones are very nice and settled. So I guess that's why it's so good for having figures and, you know, things on top to give it that nice underglow. It's the same principle, like I said, with the app. You download the app, or you already have the app if you have both products, and you just do the same as on screen, like I am here, and go through it, connect them all, make them all the same color, change all the colors as you wish. This also can be created to a different color scheme. You can have multiple, you don't have to just have 3. I do say these ones are expensive for just 3, so if you want to go for anything, I would definitely go for the triangles that have just come out, or the hexagon lights, because they are probably the best bet for your office or gaming setup. So basically that is the products for you guys. There are the prices. Like I said, the hexagon starter kit comes in at $84.99 for 6 hexagons and the big heavy weighted block, and also the mixers are 3 panels coming in at $99.99. So if you guys enjoyed the video, please leave a like, hit subscribe, because this is only the first episode of what has to come. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and definitely check out the link in the description where you can get yourself a cheeky discount. I'll see you all in the next episode, checking out a new microphone which you've been hearing me on. Hope you enjoyed the video. Take it easy, stay positive and enjoy life. And this has been the Cololights. Thank you very much.